Imagine a world where the foods we consume have the power to repair our bodies from within, where a simple drink could mend the intricate network of nerves that make up our nervous system. This is not a fantasy, but a reality. Nutrition plays a pivotal role in the repair of nerve damage. And today we delve into the science behind 7 incredible drinks that hold the power to mend our nervous system. First up, we have green tea, a drink treasured for its antioxidants known as polyphenols. These substances battle against oxidative stress, a key player in nerve damage. Green tea's polyphenols promote nerve regeneration and even slow down the progression of certain neurodegenerative diseases. So, the next time you sip on a cup of green tea, remember, it's not just a beverage. It's a nerve rejuvenator. Our second drink is almond milk, a rich source of vitamin E. This vitamin plays a crucial role in maintaining nerve health by protecting them from damage and promoting their repair. Almond milk, with its generous vitamin E content, serves as a delicious and nutritious aid to nerve recovery. Next in line, we have the humble orange juice, a powerhouse of vitamin C. This vitamin is a potent antioxidant that protects nerves from damage and aids in the production of collagen, a protein essential for the repair of nerve tissues. So each glass of orange juice is a toast to nerve health. Fourth on our list is a lesser-known drink, turmeric milk. Curcumine, the active compound in turmeric, is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent that can reduce nerve pain and aid in nerve repair. Combine this with the calcium and vitamin D present in milk, and you have a potent drink for nerve recovery. Our fifth drink is a smoothie made from spinach and bananas. Spinach, packed with magnesium, aids in maintaining nerve function, while bananas, with their rich potassium content, help transmit nerve impulses. This smoothie is a blend of nerve health and deliciousness. Number 6 is a drink from the sea, fish oil. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fish oil can reduce inflammation and preserve nerve function. It's like a soothing balm for your nervous system. Last, but certainly not least, we have water. Simplicity at its best, water aids in maintaining the overall health of the body, including the nerves. Dehydration can cause nerve malfunction, so keeping hydrated is key to nerve health. To summarize each of these 7 drinks, from the antioxidant-rich green tea to the humble water, plays a unique role in nerve repair and health. They are not just drinks, but potent elixirs for your nervous system. So, the next time you reach for a beverage, remember, you hold in your hands the power to heal your body from within.